was an old man with 4 sons. One day he said to his sons,
I am old now. Who wants to have our family farm? Who is the wizard?
The first son said,
I am strong, I am wise, I am rich, I have a beautiful house and a horse.
The second son said,
I am wiser, I am richer, I have a beautiful house, a horse and a shop.
The third son said,
I am the wizard. I am the richer. I have a beautiful house, a horse, and 2 shops.
Father didn't like their word. He said, younger son,
Well, what about you? What do you have?
the youngest son said,
I have beautiful house. I don't have beautiful houses, horses, and shops. I have my hands to walk and my head to sing.
Father liked his word. He said,
Your youngest brother is the wizard. I want to give him our family farm.
we set our tail and